I go to the kitchen. I open the fridge. I wash my hands. I make breakfast. I prepare coffee. I make juice. I brew tea. I cook rice. I boil potatoes. I grill meat. I chop vegetables. I peel carrots. I slice tomatoes. I grate cheese. I fry eggs. I bake a cake. I stir the soup. I mix ingredients. I blend a smoothie. I use a knife. I use a spoon. I use a fork. I use a plate. I add salt. I add sugar. I taste the food. I smell the aroma. I eat lunch. I feel full. I wash the dishes. I dry the dishes. I wipe the counters. I sweep the floor. I take out the trash.